Hi there, students. To inflict as a verb, infliction as a noun. Okay, to inflict means to force somebody to experience something unpleasant, something that hurts. Yeah, to visit something on somebody. So to inflict pain, to inflict injury. So the gunman inflicted horrific injuries on the children. You could inflict pain and suffering on somebody. Yeah, so to inflict an injury. Why would anybody inflict injury on a harmless animal? Okay, so to inflict, to make somebody suffer something. Yeah, they inflicted fatal injuries. Yeah, to inflict harm, to inflict sanctions on someone. So inflict has this idea of to push upon, to impose, but to impose suffering. The infliction of pain is something that a sadist enjoys. Yeah, they inflicted pain in order to get a confession. In a self-inflicted wound, so that you don't have to go to war to fight. Yeah, it was self-inflicted. It was done by yourself. So inflict, to cause something harmful to a person, to a group, to an area. The army inflicted heavy losses on the enemy. The storm inflicted great amount of damage. Yeah, I actually quite like this example. The piano lessons he inflicted on his son. So to force to experience something, to force to undergo, even if you don't want to. To inflict a blow, to deliver, to deal, to inflict a blow. Okay, so to cause something unpleasant or painful, to cause suffering, to inflict serious injury. To try to impose something unwelcome. So he is determined to inflict his religious beliefs on everyone else, whether they like them or not. Okay, to inflict, to give by striking, to inflict pain. The wasp inflicted a painful sting. Yeah, to cause somebody to endure something. Yeah, I inflicted the people present to a long, boring speech. Okay, so inflict, to inflict a punishment. The teacher inflicted a punishment, to inflict damage. Yeah, the storm inflicted damage, to inflict death. The harsh winter inflicted death on many people. The drought inflicted hardship on the people of the country. To inflict harm on somebody. My team was beaten 17 goals to nil. They inflicted terrible humiliation upon us. Yeah, to inflict misery or pain. Yeah, so this means that you make somebody suffer something, to inflict heavy casualties. The recession is inflicting damage on various industries. Okay, so to impose, to exact, to administer. Yeah, okay, the infliction. Yeah, the unnecessary, cruel infliction of pain. So to inflict, infliction. 6 6.5, 6 informality, used informally just about semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal as well without a problem. And then it comes from Latin in fingere, into, and fingere to strike. So to strike into, to hit into, to inflict. So enough. I've inflicted my boring lesson on you long enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inflict Infliction.